Lights go down and the crowd is gone, but the melody lingers on. The sweat is drying on my skin. Where does the show end and I begin? The roadie's packing up the gear, bringing silence in my ear. I sit on the edge of the stage, turning over another page. Stripped of the glamour and the show, just the person that you know. No spotlight hitting on my face, just waiting for your embrace. The music fades into the black, but your love always brings me back. Yeah, after the encore ends, you're the lover. 1,000 voices scream my name, playing the rock and roll game. But in the hotel room tonight, I just wanna hold you tight. I'm not the idol, I'm not the star, I'm just the guy playing the guitar, singing a song for an audience of one. Now that the heavy work is done, stripped of the glamour and the show, just the person that you know. No spotlight hitting on my face, just waiting for your embrace. The music fades into the black, but your love always brings me back. Yeah, after the encore ends, you're the lover. The applause is an addiction, it's true, but it don't mean a thing compared to you. Real life starts when the amps go off and the mask becomes soft. The music fades into the black, but your love always brings me back. Yeah, after the encore ends, you're the lover. Just you and me, no more show. Let's go home. Kitchen light is buzzing, we're talking circles, yeah, we're really fussing. The ashtray's full, the coffee pot is dry. I'm looking for the truth in the corner of your eye. You say I'm distant, I say you're cold. The same old story's getting really old. We drew a line in the sand on the floor, but I don't even remember what we're fighting for. Hands are shaking, heart is breaking, but neither one of us Tell me why we fight until the dawn, 'cause the silence feels so wrong. Is it love or just the fear to be alone? Baby, just turn off your phone. Just coffee and cigarettes and a lifetime of regrets. But I wouldn't trade a single scar for who we are. Remember the time we drove to the coast? That's the version of us I miss the most. And no screaming matches, no slamming doors, just the radio playing in the sandy floors. I know I'm stubborn, I know I'm a mess, but losing you's the one thing I can't confess. So pour another cup, let the smoke fill the air. As long as you're sitting in that kitchen chair, hands are shaking, heart is breaking, but neither one of us is leaving. Tell me why we fight until the dawn, 'cause the silence feels so wrong. Is it love or just the fear to be alone? Baby, just turn off your phone. Just coffee and cigarettes and a lifetime of regrets. But I wouldn't trade a single scar. We break up, we make up, we wake up and do it again. We scream out as we arm down. It's the only way we know how to Tell me why we fight until the dawn, 'cause the silence feels so wrong. It's just coffee and cigarettes in a lifetime of regrets. Baby, just turn off your phone. Just coffee and cigarettes and a lifetime of regrets. But I wouldn't trade a single scar for who pass me the lighter. I love you. You know, I
The noise out there, it hurts my head. I just wanna hide in the sun-made bed.
The city lights are way too bright. I need the shadow, I need the night.
Close the curtains, lock the latch.
We are the perfect broken match.
Forget the bills, forget the phone. This mattress is our only home.
The world is spinning way too fast. Let's make this quiet moment last. Just breathe.
Lock the door, let the world burn down. Outside under the sheets, there's nowhere left to hide. Your skin on mine, the only truth I know.
Don't let me go.
Don't let me go. We are safe here in the dark, creating fire from a single spark. just us.
They want a time, they want a soul. They want us playing all their roles, but
in this fortress made of cotton and thread, we are the kings and queens of the unsaid. I trace the map upon your back. We're off the grid, we're off the track. No deadlines here, no heavy load, just the gentle warmth of this abode. Lock the door, let the world burn down. Outside under the sheets, there's nowhere left to hide. Your skin on mine, the only truth I know. Don't let me go, don't let me go. We are safe here in the dark, creating fire from a single spark. Ooh. Safe from the rain, safe from the pain, safe from the world going insane. Safe from the world going safe here, just us, just us, just us.
All right, everyone, we need your help with this one. Can you clap your hands like this? Yeah, that's it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Another face, another screen. The weirdest people I have ever seen. A guy holding a fish, a guy in a car. Why is finding love so bizarre?
I saw a girl who posed with a snake. How much weirdness can one heart take? Bio says, just looking for fun. I think I wanna delete this and run.
My thumb is getting tired.
My patience has expired. But then I saw a picture. Wait, is that you? I swipe left on the perfect guys. I swipe right on the pretty lies.
Waiting for a ghost to come on through,
Hoping that the ghost looks just like you. Maybe it's fate, maybe it's luck. Maybe we're just two souls getting stuck in the search for something true. Maybe it's you. Maybe it's you. We matched at noon, we talked till 5. I finally felt a little alive. You like Star Wars, I like it too. Is this a dream or is it true?
no unsolicited pics. What a surprise, you actually seem like one of the good guys. Let's skip the text, let's skip the chat. Let's meet for coffee, how about that?
I swipe left on the perfect guys. I swipe right on the pretty lies. Waiting for a ghost to come on through, hoping that the ghost looks just like you. Maybe it's fate, maybe it's luck. Maybe we're just two souls getting stuck in the search for something true. Maybe it's you. Maybe it's you. Break it down.
Right? Nope. Definitely nope.
Wait.
It's a match!
in the search for something true. Maybe it's you, maybe it's you, maybe it's you. Swipe right on love tonight. Yeah, maybe it's you.
Thanks, guys. Ooh. Whiskey glass and a view of the street, watching the rain and the asphalt meet. The neon signs flickering red, just like the words that we never said.
I swear I saw your coat walk by, but it's just shadows playing with my eyes. The apartment is cold, the plants are dead. I'm sleeping on the edge of the bed.
The thunder rolls,
we lost control, and now the storm is in my soul. The rain sounds like your name tonight, washing away the wrongs and right. I check the door but no one's there, just the smell of rain and empty air.
If I call you now, will you pick up?
Or have we
Finally run out of love, drowning in memories we can't fix.
You're the beautiful mistake I made. I found your t-shirt in the drawer. I put it on and fell to the floor. It smells like smoke and cheap cologne. God, I hate being this alone.
I'm driving fast, nowhere to go. The radio plays a song we know. I turn it up to drown the sound of my heart breaking on the ground. The thunder rolls,
We lost control, and now the storm is in my soul.
the rain sounds like your name tonight, washing away the wrongs and right.
I check the door but no one's there, just the smell of rain and empty air.
If I call you now, will you pick up?
Or have we finally run out of luck,
Drowning in memories we can't fix.
you're the beautiful mistake I made. Drip, drop, make it stop. Drip, drop.
Make it stop.
Still miss you, still miss you.
The beautiful mistake. vacancy sign buzzing red, soft pillows on a double bed. The highway hums a lullaby underneath the western sky. We left the bells and the stress behind just to see what we could find. A key with a plastic diamond tag closed, stuffed in a paper bag. Miles away from who we are, chasing down a shooting star just for tonight. Let's pretend that this summer will never end. At the Starlight Motel, room 22, there's nothing left but me and you. Me and you. Dusty curtains, faded rug, coffee in a chip ceramic mug. But you look like a movie queen, best thing that I've ever seen. The world outside can carry on, we'll be here until the dawn. Dancing to the radio static, making love, it's automatic. Miles away from who we are, chasing down a shooting star just for tonight. Let's pretend that this summer will never end. At the Starlight Motel, room 22, there's nothing left but me and you. Me and you. Tomorrow we go back to the grind, leave this little paradise behind. But keep this memory in your pocket, like a picture in a locket. Miles away from who we are, chasing down a shooting star just for tonight. Let's pretend that this summer will never end. At the Starlight Motel, room 22. Turn off the light, watch the stars, Starlight Motel. I'm standing on the corner of 5th and Main, trying to find shelter from a hurricane. My screen is dimming, the bar is red. I need to say the things I never said.
You always call when the night is done, when you're tired of being on the run. I'm in bed, trying to sleep. Why do you make promises you cannot keep?
I've got 3% left.
You're putting me to the test
Before the screen goes black. Hold on, don't hang up yet. I'm not ready for the disconnect.
The charger is miles away from here,
Just like you, my dear. We're running on empty, fading fast, praying that this little spark will last.
3%, 2% when
I'm running home, I'm running hard. I'm fumbling for the keys in the yard. Don't let me go into the silent void.
This is the only bridge we haven't destroyed.
Hold on, don't hang up yet. I'm not ready for the disconnect.
The charger is miles away from here.
Just like you, my dear, we're running on empty, fading fast, praying that this little spark will last.
Hello. Are you there? I'm here.
I just wanted to say,
Hello?
I put my sword down on the floor. I don't wanna fight you anymore. The words we threw like hand grenades. Look at the mess that we have made.
I'm tired of sleeping in the cold. I'm tired of stories left untold. I'm raising up the white flag high. I don't wanna say goodbye.
I see your flag, Captain, my shield, walking across this battlefield. The smoke is clearing in the room. We chased away the heavy gloom.
I never wanted to be right. I just wanted to hold you tight. But pride is such a heavy stone to carry when you walk alone.
The war is over, let the healing start. Put back the pieces of this broken heart.
No more winners, no more losers here. Just two people facing down their fear.
Lay your head upon my chest, let the anger finally rest. The war is over, baby, come back home.
You don't have to be alone. I'm sorry for the things I said.
I'm sorry for the tears you shed.
I didn't mean to cause you pain.
Let's wash it off in the morning rain.
We built a wall to keep us safe, but it only became a lonely place. Let's tear it down brick by brick before the silence makes us sick.
The war is over, let the healing start. Put back the pieces of this broken heart.
No more winners, no more losers here. Just two people facing down their fear.
Lay your head upon my chest, let the anger finally rest. The war is over,
You don't have to be alone.
Love is work, love is sweat, love is forgiving what we regret. We survive the fire and the flood. It's in our bones, it's in our blood.
The war is over. Let the healing start. Put back the pieces of this broken heart. No more winners, no more losers here. Just two people facing down their feet.
Peace at last.
The war is over.
Come here. Look at us looking like a wreck. Gray in the beard and a crick in the neck. We ain't the shiny pennies that we used to be. Time has taken a toll on you and me. But there's a comfort in the way you stand, the way your fingers still fit in my hand. We don't need a sparkle, we don't need a shine. I'm just glad that you were still mine. We're like worn out leather, cracked and old, but we keep out the wind and we keep out the cold. Every scratch is a story, every mark is a fight that we survived together in the middle of the night. Yeah, we're fading a bit, getting soft at the seams, but we're still wrapped up in the same old dreams. Worn out leather, it fits just right. Remember the time we broke down in the rain, laughing like crazy through the stress and the pain. New love is fragile, it tears at the touch, but what we have, well, is worth twice as much. It's a coffee in the morning without saying a word. It's the sweetest song that I ever heard. The silence is easy, the history is deep. Promises made that we managed to keep. We're like worn out leather, cracked and old, but we keep out the wind and we keep out the cold. Every scratch is a story, every mark is a fight that we survived together in the middle of the night. Yeah, we're fading a bit, getting soft at the seams, but we're still wrapped up in the same old dreams. Worn out leather fits just right. Your durability, we're like worn out leather, cracked and old, but we keep out the wind and we keep out the cold. Every scratch is a story, fits just right. Yeah, it fits just right. Found that old guitar in the attic case, brought a smile to your pretty face. Dusty strings and a warped old neck, but we kept it in check.
Do you remember the corner bar, thinking we were gonna be a star, singing covers for a dollar bill, giving the folks a little thrill?
I remember the smoky air, the way the light hit your messy hair.
We didn't have a plan B then, just a song and a fountain pen.
Our voices blended perfectly, like the river runs to the sea. We fell in love on the harmony line, your voice wrapped around mine. Play the songs we used to sing, let the acoustic guitars ring. Take me back to the melody, where we were wild and we were free. It's not just music, it's a time machine.
The best damn days we've ever seen.
So open your mouth and let it out.
Say it in a whisper, sing it in a shout.
The songs we used to sing.
Life got busy, the music stopped,
Priorities and dreams were swapped,
but the magic never really went away.
it was waiting for a rainy day. So tune it up and count it in, let the second verse begin. We're older now, maybe a little slow, but we still got that rock and roll glow. Play the songs we used to sing, let the acoustic guitars ring. Take me back to the melody, when we were wild and we were free. It's not just music, it's a time machine.
The best damn days we've ever seen.
So open your mouth and let it out.
Sing it in a whisper, sing it in a shout. The songs we used to say.
till we see the morning light.
Our love is a song that never ends.
Best of lovers, best of friends. Play the songs we used to sing. The acoustic guitars ring. Take me back to the melody where we were wild and we were free. Songs we used to sing.
Yeah, the song.
Yeah, songs we used to sing. I love your voice, I love yours
Hush now, baby, don't you cry. Sirens screaming in the sky. Walls are thin and the rent is late. Heavy is the hand of fate.
I'm trying to paint a rainbow here, over the gray and over the fear, holding on by a single thread to the promises that we said. I'm working double, working hard, trying to play a better card. Calluses on my fingertips, prayer whispers on my lips.
I see you tired, I see you weak. Kiss the tear right off your cheek. We ain't got money, we ain't got fame, but we got love in this crazy game.
Walking on broken glass, singing lullabies as the shadows pass. Building a castle out of dust and stone, protecting the only thing we own. Hold on tight, don't let go. In the middle of the rain and snow, broken glass and lullabies.
It's the love that never dies. Sometimes I wanna run away,
But I'm begging you to stay.
the pressure pushes on my chest.
Put your head here and rest.
We are the shelter, we are the roof. Living, breathing, living proof that
Flowers grow in the cracked concrete, making the bitter taste so sweet. We're walking on broken glass, singing lullabies as the shadows pass. Building a castle out of dust and stone, protecting the only thing we own. Hold on tight, don't let go. In the middle of the rain and snow, broken glass and lullabies.
it's the love that never dies.
We won't break,
We won't fall.
we're standing up against the wall,
You and me against the world.
with our banner all unfurled. We're walking on broken glass, singing lullabies as the shadows pass. Building a castle out of dust and stone, protecting the only thing we own.
Hush now. It's okay.
waiter sweeping up the floor. A sign is flipped upon the door. Just us left in the corner booth, trying to find a little truth. Coffee cup is empty now, furrowed lines upon your brow. We sat here for 3 hours straight, deciding on our future fate.
I didn't think I'd come tonight. I didn't want another fight, but something made me take the chair. Seeing you sitting there, you look different, tired and worn, like a page that's ripped and torn. I remember how we used to be before the world got to you and me. At this table for two, in the dim candlelight, we're deciding if we give up or we fight. Is there enough love left in the jar? Have we traveled just a little too far? Look at me, don't look away. Tell me if there's a reason to stay at this table for two. It all comes down to me and you.
I miss the way you laugh at jokes.
I miss the way you hold my hopes.
I know I haven't been the best.
Instead excuses to the rest.
Let's start again right here and now. Make a new and silent vow to listen more and shout a little less, to clean up this emotional mess at this table for two.
In the dim candlelight, we're deciding if we give up or we fight.
Is there enough love left in the jar?
Have we traveled just a little too far? Look at me, don't look away. Tell me if there's a reason to stay at this table for two. It all comes down to me and you. Reach across the tabletop, let the spinning motion stop. Take my hand, let's leave this place. Start the run at a different pace. Let's go home, yeah, let's go home.
Table for two, it is closed.
Harbor lights are fading fast. We knew this moment wouldn't last. You have your compass, I have mine. Crossing the imaginary line. Your hand is warm inside of mine.
But the clock is running out of time. The tide is pulling you away. I wish that I could make you
stay. The ocean is a cruel friend, bringing beginnings to an end. I see the tears inside your eyes, reflecting all the grayest skies. I have a journey I must take.
even if my heart will break. You are the lighthouse on the shore, the one that I am longing for. We are two ships passing in the night, briefly bathed in the same moonlight. A moment of magic, a moment of grace, before we disappear without a trace. The signal fire's burning low, watching the distance grow and grow. Two ships passing in the night, sailing out of sight.
I'll write your name upon the sand.
I'll hold your memory in my hand.
Maybe in another life,
Without the storm, without the strife,
we'll meet upon a calmer sea, where you can finally stay with me.
but for now the wind is strong, pushing us where we belong. We are two ships passing in the night, briefly bathed in the same moonlight. A moment of magic, a moment of grace, before we disappear without a trace. Signal fire's burning low, watching the distance grow and grow. Two ships passing in the night, sailing out of sight. Don't look back, just sail on.
Before the courage is all gone, I love you more than words can say, even as I drift away.
We are two ships passing in the night, briefly bathed in the same moonlight. A moment of magic, a moment of grace, before we disappear without a trace. Sail on.
Passing in the night, passing in the night.
Sitting on the curb waiting for the dawn, wondering where the yesterday has gone. Smoke rings rising in the cold night air. Do you still care? Do you still care? We're burning down to the filter tip. Watch the ashes fall and slip through our fingers like the time we wasted. Bitterness is all we tasted. This is the last cigarette, the last regret, the last thing that I need to forget. Or maybe I'll light it up and watch it burn. Maybe there's a lesson I still need to learn. In the glow of the ember I see your face, disappearing without a trace. The last cigarette before I go. funny thing, my friend. You think you control it until the end. I was addicted to the pain you gave, digging my own shallow grave. But tonight the pack is empty, the box is dry. No more tears left to cry. I'm crushing the box in my fist, removing myself from your list. This is the last cigarette, the last regret, the last thing that I need to forget. Or maybe I'll light it up and watch it burn. Maybe there's a lesson I still need to learn. In the glow of the ember I see your face, disappearing without a trace. The last cigarette before I go. Quit when it tastes so sweet. Walking away from this dead-end street. Take a deep breath of the clean, fresh air. Leave the smoke right there. This is the last cigarette, the last regret, the last thing